This presentation is about the McGill International Health Insurance Plan. Throughout the presentation, the following abbreviations will be used: IHI, which is short for International Health Insurance, and ISS, which is short for International Student Services. The information provided is a brief overview of the plan's benefits found in your Blue Cross Handbook that is available in electronic format on the ISS website under the Health Insurance and Coverage tab. The plan is compulsory for all international students. Not only is it the McGill Senate regulation to provide an adequate level of insurance coverage, it is also a mandatory immigration requirement to obtain the CEQ and study permit. Immigration Quebec and Immigration Canada require that all institutions in Canada provide health insurance coverage to international students. The plan covers both basic and supplementary health benefits, and the insurance provider is Medavie Blue Cross. Your contract year is defined as an academic year at McGill University from September 1st to August 31st. Your coverage becomes effective on August 15th for the semester starting September 1st, December 15th for a semester starting January 1st, and April 15th for a semester starting May 1st. And that is because you're provided with 2 complementary weeks to keep you covered while you settle in prior to the start of your studies. A few points to note. Undergraduate international students are automatically covered by the SSMU Dental Plan, or students enrolled in the program at McDonald campus, the MCSS Dental Plan. Graduate international students have the PGSS Dental Plan. Students beginning their studies in the fall semester are automatically charged for the dental plan. This charge is found on your e-bill. It is a separate charge from the IHI plan premium. Students wishing to opt out of the dental plan must get in touch with ASEQ at ihaveaplan.ca. ISS is not involved in the administration of student societies' dental plans. Please note, students entering the university in the winter semester are not automatically covered by their student society's dental plan and must opt in if they wish to be. For opt-in procedures, please visit ihaveaplan.ca. Maternity benefits extend to you and your spouse if you re-register or were already covered under the McGill IHI plan, or if you or your spouse were previously insured by a similar benefit from a group insurance plan offered by a recognized Canadian educational institution during the previous academic year. If you or your spouse were not insured during the previous academic year, and if normal delivery takes place during the first 30 weeks following initial registration in the plan, maternity benefits, including delivery, are insured up to the maximum of $10,000. The 30-week limitation does not apply in case of miscarriage or early delivery, as long as conception occurred during the first 6 weeks immediately prior or subsequent to registration. In order to start using your health insurance plan, you must activate your IHI contract on Minerva. For new and returning students, you must be registered for at least one course for a minimum of 24 hours in order to confirm your contract on Minerva. From the main menu on Minerva, click on Student menu and then International Student Health Insurance Coverage form. Select Confirm Coverage from the drop-down menu and hit the Submit button. Activation of coverage is available from August 15th for the fall term, December 15th for the winter term, and April 15th for the summer term. Upon confirmation of your coverage, you must pick up your IHI card at Service Point in the downtown campus or Student Services at McDonald campus. Canadian students or new permanent residents who are not eligible for the Quebec Health Insurance Plan, namely the RAMQ, short for the Régie de l'Assurance Maladie de Québec, have the option of enrolling in the McGill IHI plan. To do so, you must complete an online web form found on the ISS website under Health Insurance and Coverage tab during the first 30 days of each new semester. Students who are currently in the 3-month waiting period following RAMQ registration may choose to enroll in the IHI plan for 1 semester. McGill's IHI plan is fully described in the electronic Blue Cross Handbook, which is found on the ISS website under Coverage. It can also be accessed on the Medavie Blue Cross app and online through the Blue Cross Member Services website. The basic health benefits are provided on a 24-hour basis, 12 months a year in Canada. These include hospitalization, physician fees, diagnostic tests, maternity, accidental dental care, medical evacuation and vision care, up to the maximum specified in the Blue Cross Handbook. Reimbursement for physician fees at an on-campus clinic are 100%, while at off-campus clinics the reimbursement is up to 3 times the provincial RAMQ rate. As a result of that, it is possible that your reimbursement will be partial. Take note that on-campus clinics accept McGill students only. It is important to note that charges related directly or indirectly to a pre-existing condition are payable up to a lifetime maximum of $10,000 for each pre-existing condition. Medical conditions must be certified by a Canadian physician. When you will make your first claim, Blue Cross will get in touch with you to guide you through how to obtain a confirmation of the medical condition by a Canadian doctor. A pre-existing condition is a medical condition for which you or your dependents have consulted a physician, been treated by a physician, or been prescribed medication during the 3-month period preceding the effective date of IHI contract. For detailed information on pre-existing conditions, please consult the Blue Cross Handbook. Asthma, epilepsy, diabetes, and physical injuries, to name a few, are not considered as a pre-existing condition. For emergency hospitalization or surgery at a hospital, your coverage is 100%, but can be subject to the maximum specified for each benefit. However, for any planned hospitalizations and surgeries, a pre-authorization form must be completed by your physician. If you had an emergency visit following which you were discharged and scheduled for surgery, in this case, you must also ask your physician to fill out a pre-authorization form. This form is available on the ISS website under Health Insurance tab. Your supplemental benefits are covered at 80% and include, but not limited to, coverage of prescription drugs, vaccinations, specialists such as physiotherapists, osteopaths, chiropractors, psychologists or psychotherapists, local ambulance services, and other medical services or supplies. As mentioned already, prescription drugs and medicines, including insulin, needles, Regen strips for diabetes, and iron supplements, are covered at 80%. However, in order to fill a prescription at a pharmacy in Montreal, you must have it prescribed by a physician in Quebec. There are 4 ways to make a claim. First, there's the option of e-pay, which is essentially a direct billing process by a healthcare provider to Blue Cross. This option is used by all hospitals in Quebec and McGill Health Clinics. You may ask your health professional at an off-campus clinic if they would consider doing direct billing with Blue Cross. E-claims is the newest option of making a claim. If you have a smartphone, you can download the MedAV Blue Cross app and use it to make a claim by taking a photo of your receipt. You can also review the IHI benefits plan, find a health professional near you, and more. The same options are available on the Secure Blue Cross Member Services website. QuickPay is a third option, and you can make your claim in person. The QuickPay counter is located on the ground floor of the Blue Cross building, which is conveniently located near McGill University downtown campus. The fourth option is a more traditional way of making a claim, by filling out a paper claim form and mailing it to Blue Cross. These forms are available on the ISS website under Health Insurance tab. The following are frequently asked questions and answers. Question: I'm going to be traveling for leisure outside of Canada over the summer or winter break. Am I still covered? Answer: you are only covered for emergencies requiring hospitalization and only up to the maximum of $2,000 Canadian per day for all services combined. Quebec Blue Cross, sister company of Blue Cross, also offers travel insurance for students traveling for leisure. Please contact Blue Cross directly. Question: I'm going on an exchange in another university. Can I still be covered? Yes, if you're going on an exchange in a different country, but not the country of your origin, or on an internship within Canada, you can apply for an extended coverage. To do so, you must submit an online web form that is found on the ISS website under Health Insurance and Coverage tab. Question: where can I go see a doctor? Answer: the downtown McGill Health Clinic offers same-day appointments. These appointments, however, work on a first-come, first-served basis. Often, you must arrive to the clinic as early as 8 a.m. to reserve your spot. To visit a doctor outside the office hours of the on-campus clinics, visit the McGill Health Services website for a list of suggested off-campus clinics both downtown and on McDonald campus. Take note that when going to the McGill Health Clinic or any hospital in Montreal, you have the benefit of direct payment (e-pay) option with your Blue Cross International Health Insurance. Off-campus clinics, pharmacies, and outside of Quebec medical services will require that you make a payment upfront, for which you may be partially reimbursed after submitting a claim. Question: will my sport-related injury be covered if it happened before I came to McGill? Answer: under the Blue Cross IHI plan, sports-related injuries are covered regardless if they occur before or after the effective date of insurance. Question: can I add dependents or family members to my IHI plan? Answer: yes, dependents can be added via Minerva, or if you have already confirmed your coverage on Minerva, send us an email at international.health@mcgill.ca. For further instructions, visit ISS website and select Health Insurance and Coverage tab. Question: is there anything I'm not covered for? Answer: yes. The following is a brief list of expenses for which students are not covered by the IHI plan. Treatments and surgeries made for aesthetic purposes, charges for dental work without hospitalization, this may be covered by SSMU, MCSS, or PGSS plan, diagnostic tests for screening purposes, charges for eyeglasses and contact lenses, charges from health specialists not listed in the Blue Cross handbook, such as massage therapists, homeopaths, acupuncturists, etc., elective surgery and hospitalization. Make sure to check your Blue Cross handbook for all the details concerning limitations and exclusions. Still have questions about the McGill International Health Insurance Plan? Visit us, call us, or email us. We look forward to helping you.